Approximately 2.5 million tonnes of pesticides are used worldwide each year. 85% of these which can evaporate within a few days, resulting in harm to non-target animal and plant species. Despite all of this, there is still substantial wastage with almost half of the crops lost even before human consumption. Instead of using chemicals to be rid of weeds, or more accurately wild foods, which require very little cultivation, fertilizers and watering, we should be embracing the crops and introducing them back into our lifestyle.
Wild Things aims to do just that. Using our three-pronged approach, identification, provision, and education, we hope to normalize consumption of wild foods. First, with our app, you can easily identify what kind of wild plant is growing in your backyard with a simple question-based system. You can also access additional information like recipes and also shop online for a transplantable crop. Wild foods could also be found on roadsides, but this is less encouraged because of uncontrollable external factors.
The wild foods grown at our farms can be found at shops like Bunnings or Woolworths and our farmers markets, providing you with the means of being able to grow wild things for yourself. Our markets and farms are staffed by experienced horticulturists, giving you a chance to easily talk to our pros about anything you're unsure of. Because of their low maintenance nature, you can easily grow wild things indoors and in smaller spaces like apartment windowsills.
Compared with store-bought greens, wild foods are actually higher in essential vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. A recent study found that mallow contains more calcium and potassium per serving than kale and nearly 7 times as much iron. Cultivating wild foods can reduce the need for pesticides, water, and space, making for a more sustainable food production. The reduced use of pesticides can also increase biodiversity and other negative effects on the environment.
With all these benefits in mind, why not discover your wild side today?